How to delete your Ting Mobile account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log into your Ting application just like this, and then from there what you're going to do is simply navigate to account settings. For that, tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, and then from there you'll be able to see the account settings. Tap on that one and then retrieve your account number and port out PIN from there. So after doing that, all you need to do is simply switch your number to another carrier in order to auto cancel. So provide that exact PIN and account number to your new carrier, and they will be able to activate your number. Then from here, all you need to do is simply wait. So like I said, if you do not want to keep the number, you can call their customer service to request immediate closure, or if you want to keep that number, you can simply give that account number and port PIN to other carrier service, and once they activate your carrier under them, your account on your Ting will automatically be deleted, and that is it. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.